Hello guys, welcome to another brand new Forex trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are going to trade Euro versus US dollar. In this video you will know the complete process of technical analysis step by step. With this you too can generate good profit with this simple strategy. Now I am applying all the trades. See you guys after some time. Guys, we have $1,442 in this account which we are going to grow. Here I will follow proper risk management so that the trading process becomes easier. The market is moving up here, creating proper higher high higher low points, which gives us a perfect buying trade. Here our entry is at the right place. Now first of all we will create a trend channel so that we can easily know the trend of the market. On this trend line the market is moving upwards, creating higher low points. Here a perfect trend line is being drawn. We have to draw this trend line perfectly because all the future analysis will be based on this trend line. The second trend line will be connected at higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance. Whenever the market has come near this trend line, the market has always reversed downwards. In this trend channel we will see a perfect uptrend pattern which has been repeated again and again. If we look at the market in small time frame, then the market is moving sideways, but on big time frame the market is in strong uptrend. So always follow big time frame while taking trade. Now we will draw strong reversal level. The market has created multiple support points at this level, which you can easily see at this level. All these are strong reversal points. Here the market has first taken resistance on small time frame, later it broke above it, and now it is creating support points, due to which a resistance become support pattern has been created here, which is a strong pattern of uptrend. High probability chance the market will move up from here as the market is in a strong uptrend. That is why we have got a very good opportunity of buying here. Now we will place stop loss and profit target. My stop loss will be 13 pip below the strong reversal level and inside the trend channel. If the market moves down to take trend line support, then our stop loss will be hit, and the profit target will be 26 pip up. The market has come close to just this level before and has reversed back downwards due to trend line resistance. Guys, right now we are facing a little loss, but our whole focus is on the trading process because whether it is loss or profit is not in our hands. All we have to do is to follow the trading process. Let us place stop loss and profit target. Guys, now we will see what result the market gives us. Our technical analysis here is absolutely correct. Guys, if you like playing games, then you can play easy and interesting games on CWins. You can also earn money by playing these games because CWins is an earning platform. Here you will get to see all the latest games, which are very simple games. In the sports category you will find all sports games like cricket, football, etc. In this game you can bet on tournaments of different countries. Live games keep going on here 24/7. In live casino you can play different games as per your interest like roulette, game shows, Indian tables, baccarat, blackjack, poker, etc. Here you will see all the games category wise which you can play with real players. All these games are simple games. The most famous game of CWins is Aviator. In this game you can multiply your money. Here you can increase or decrease the bet amount according to your risk. You can also play it on your phone. You can find its Android app here. This game can be played easily by installing it on your phone. Whether you deposit or withdraw at CWins, you will get all payment methods available like CWins Pay, Skrill, Neteller, MPS, Jeton, Crypto, Bitcoin, Tether, etc. All these methods work well. You will see my coupon code on the display. If you use it, then you can get more benefits on this platform. I have given the link of CWins in the description box and comment section. Now coming back to our trading video, we will not close the trade midway until either the stop loss or profit target is hit. If you learned something from this video, please like it.
To make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill.
You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top, spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an itch, man, I'm making. I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and the sailing. They can all try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goal. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes to be free, committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it, but that's what it takes to get it.
Very dangerous move. Guys, the market has given us a very good move which you can see in the chart. The market remained volatile for a long time due to which we achieved the target a little late, but we had faith in our setup, so we did not close the trade in between and continued with the trade with patience. Our stop loss was saved from being hit. The market could not touch our stop loss because we had placed the stop loss below a strong reversal level. Now I will draw the next reversal level. The market has created multiple resistance points at this level. These points are important points for us because due to these points we have drawn this level. Guys, market first took resistance at this level and now can create a support point at this level, due to which the resistance becomes support pattern may be repeated here again. This is a strong uptrend pattern. The market always repeats its patterns, which gives us repeated trading opportunities. Guys, right now our profit is around $2,200. We had $1,442 in this account, which has now grown to $3,804. This strategy is a high probability strategy. We have generated profit many times before with this strategy, which you can see in the playlist of my channel. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and share the video. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.